Connect a single handle to a low cable and stand a couple of feet back with a wide split posture, extending your arms and your shoulder forward. Start retracting the shoulder and flexing the elbow, and as you pull, twist the wrist, turning the palm upward as you go. Then hold for a second and return to the starting position.